Welcome back to Cravings for Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. We're doing another air fryer recipe today. I'm going to be making kebabs in my air fryer. This is going to cook up in no time and it's going to release a lot of the fat that you would get in a traditional kebab. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I'm going to start with 2 pounds of ground meat. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt or to taste, 1 teaspoon of ground pepper, and I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped green chili and half a cup of finely minced onion. For spices, I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. I'm also going to add in 1 egg and I'm going to mix it in. I have an extra egg here, but I will only add in a second egg if I find the mixture too dry. As it turns out, this is quite perfect. I decided to air fry my meatballs for this recipe to cut the fat, so I'm just going to taste the seasoning before I make the meatballs. The seasoning is perfect, so I'm going to go ahead and make golf-sized meatballs out of this meat mixture. The cook time will differ depending on your air fryer. I find that 6 to 8 minutes is usually just enough. Make sure that your air fryer is preheated. I'm going to cook these meatballs in batches. Turning them over halfway through. Notice that I'm using separate tongs to handle the raw meat versus the cooked. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings for Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for kebabs that are cooked in an air fryer. They're easy and guilt-free. If you love this recipe, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. I really love hearing from you. Also, if you love my videos, please do share them with your family and friends. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel as well as that you've rung the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care, guys. Bye.